saying that find yp of this differential equation. So we are going to use the shortcut method to find yp for this problem statement. So as you can see, the function of fx on the right hand side is the exponential of x times cos 2x. If you compare it to our case 4, it is exactly right. Now our fx is the cos 2x, and our cos 2x is a UC function. Okay, so that means we can use this technique to find yp. So in order to find yp by using shortcut method, you are going to write down the differential equation in the terms of operator d. So we would get d squared minus 2d plus 5, the whole thing times y is equal to 2 times exponential of x cos 2x. And then we move our operator function to the right hand side. We would get 2 is a constant. You can take it out from our operator side. Now we are going to use our case 4 to find the solution. We have exponential here. It's saying that for case 4, we can take the exponential out of our 1 over PD. Okay, so I take it out, but now our PD got to change to be PD plus A. So any term, any D here got to be replaced by D plus A. What is our A value? A is equal to 1. So in here I would get D plus 1 squared, right? This D is D squared. You got to put D plus 1 into D. So you would get D plus 1 squared minus 2. Now we have another D. This D got to be replaced by D plus 1. Just that. Now we just make the denominator term into the form that we can use our next step. Now we have this square here, and then we got 2d there and minus 2d there. So these two terms cancel out. We have plus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is equal to plus 4. Now, the next step is using case what? Case 4, right? For case 4, our A is equal to 2. It said that 1 over PD squared is equal to 1 over P minus A squared. So any term which has D squared should be replaced with minus A squared. Now our A is equal to 2. 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 minus times minus 1 equal to minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So we got to use the formula, which is P minus A equal to 0, right? Let's divide. last time it just gives you four formulas of sines and cos. Here you go. You're going to use this one, right? You're going to use this one because you have cos. But 1 over PD squared cos AX equal to 1 over P minus A squared cos AX. But now this term is equal to, we just did, after we plug the value of minus A squared to D squared, we found that it's equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we cannot use this formula. We have to use this one, right? We have to use this one. Now, what do we have here? So we would get, now we know that we got to use this formula to find the solution, right? Because when you try it again. We have d squared here. Our d squared got to be replaced by minus a squared. Now our a is equal to 2. 2 squared equal to 4. 4 times minus 1 equal to minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So we cannot use this one. If we want to use this one, our p of minus a squared should be equal to 0. So this time is equal to 0, so we got to use this one. So if this one, then the answer would be x divided by 2 times our a is equal to 2. And then here got sine. That's it. Our yp then. We know yp already. 2 here and 2 there cancel out, so we would get. And that's our yp, the answer. Let's see another example. Again, 5yp. If you take a look at the function, you have x to the power 2 and exponential of minus 2x. It is exactly case 4, right? Because we have exponential times this function, x to the power 2, it is a UC function. So that means we can use our case 4. So in order to find yp by using our case 4, we have to write down our differential equation in the term of the operator d. Right? And then we would get for our case 4, we want it's saying that if you have exponential times your function, you can take your exponential out of your operator d, but your PD is going to change to PD plus A. Okay, we do that. We are going to take that exponential of minus 2x out of our PD, of course you can do it. But inside here, your d got to be replaced by what? D plus a. Now your a is equal to minus 2. So you would get the first term, d minus 2 squared plus, you have d again here, 5 times d. Your d here got to be replaced by d minus 2. And then the last one is 6. The thing is, your 6 doesn't have any d there, so you can put just that number. Because you take exponential out already. So the rest of the term is your function, your fx function. Now, we do the denominator again to make it into the form that's easier to do next. D minus 2 squared is equal to d squared minus 4d plus 4. Okay. You would get 1 over d squared minus 4d plus 5d equal to plus d. 4 and 6 equal to 10. 10 minus 10 equals to 0. So that's what you get. This one is case 1. For case 1, said that you got to do 1 over PD to be B0 plus B1D plus B2D squared, blah blah blah. And then it's just up to the power of your x. The term d that you are going to do, it shouldn't be greater than 2, right? But in this case, you have d squared plus d. You will never be able to get b0, b1 plus b1d. You've got to take d out first. And then only this term, the term inside the parentheses. You just do order of your d again, starting by d to the power 0. And then we are going to do only this. This term, we are going to use case 1 to find the solution. For case 1, saying that if you have 1 over PD x to the power k, you got to write down in the term of b0 plus b1d plus b2d squared plus until bk d to the power k. In order to do that, you got to do dividing of this term. So you would get 1 how to get it minus d, right? Plus d squared, right? And so on. So that means you would get, you do until d to the power 2. You don't need to do d to the power 3, right? If d to the power 3, that means the third derivative of x squared. The third derivative of x squared equal to 0. So you don't need to do further. Because we know that the rest of the term there, which is follow d squared, you would get 0. first derivative of x squared equal to 2x. The second derivative of x squared is equal to... Now, what is the definition of 1 over dfx? 1 over dfx is equal to integral fx dx. What would you get? Integral of x squared dx is equal to x to the power 3 divided by 3. What is the integral of minus x dx? Minus 2x dx. Minus x squared plus 2x. And that's our yp.